Hi guys, today's look I'm showing the Naked Reloaded palette. Enjoy! First, Hourglass Primer. Stila, my one-step corrector. My fave Nars Deauville color. Put that all over my face with my hands. Next, Kylie concealer. Blend, blend, blend. Contour time, Anastasia, light to medium. Brows in Anastasia, color Ebony. Priming eyes with my concealer. Urban Decay Naked Reloaded in the color Boundaries, and I'm starting that around my crease area. Now I'm going in with the color Butt, and I'm also adding that around the crease area as well. Now I'm using the color Endgame, and I'm going to use this on the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm just packing that in. I'm also using Endgame on the lower lash under my eye. I'm using the color Reputation, and I'm actually getting my brush wet first. It sticks better that way. Next, I'm using Blur in my eyebrow bone area. Too Faced Too Sexy eyeliner. I love this one. My Lily lashes, my go-to fave. Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Kylie blush in the color Rosy. My Kylie in the color One Wish. My Morphe setting spray. Spray, spray, spray. Set that baby. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell.